Hello, myself. We are discussing on the topic that is India. We are discussing on the topic on Amazon account, and after 2 days, basically the big earthquake is in India. So really, basically, it's not going to happen. Just taking as an example. In that, basically, we are discussing one topic. Basically. So just a minute. So that topic actually we are discussing. In this, one of the person told that yeah, just now basically in previous video you told that basically if any big personality basically dies, immediately the effect basically happens to the planet. But is there any personality who dies, his effect basically connects to the universe basically? Is there any personality basically? That's very dangerous question basically. This answer basically nobody in this world basically might be having. Even basically what I am trying to explain, that also basically it's very difficult to understand. Why? Because that's basically there is no idea basically for this created basically. So one of the person told that there is no idea basically created for this topic basically which I am telling basically. So then how we are going to basically how you are going to understand basically. So the topic is like this. One person, assume that basically myself died. Assume basically just within 1 millisecond basically my souls will get out from the body basically, and immediately basically it will affect one of the area basically. But that area basically how it is decided here basically, that is the question basically. So that lots of people basically might be telling that basically that effect basically is connected with that planet basically, because in that planet basically entire rehearsal basically has done. But here the question is that rehearsal basically has done up to the death level. For example, I basically died in that planet. At same day, basically, I also died as per the calculation of that planet. Basically. So where that disaster is going to happen? Because that is the next area of that my data. That is basically called as a next birth, basically next gen, next birth, basically. One person, for example, Jawaharlal Nehru basically died, but lots of people says that he actually got the next birth also. Basically, people says, huh, basically how much correct basically that basically I don't know. Lal Bahadur Shastri also basically died, but people says that basically they have also got next birth. Basically, Hanumanji also basically got lots of birth. Basically, Jesus Christ also basically got lots of birth. That topic actually it's on discussion basically. So what happens basically when normal person dies and a big personality basically dies? So lots of people say that that's depend upon the next level of data. That depends upon the next level of data, and that can be correct also. Basically, we can't predict why, because we are just telling this. We don't have any proof basically. Until basically we don't have any proof basically we can't say. One person basically when I was working basically in one of the company basically, he was always telling whatever thing basically I was telling basically. For example, textbooks equal to thousand series. He was telling that basically you have proof basically that he might be correct basically. Here also it's like that basically. We don't have any proof basically. So we can't say 100%. So this topic basically remembered me that person basically. I connected to that person basically just now basically. So he told that basically whatever basically you are doing basically, whatever basically you are telling, you have any proof basically that whatever basically I have told, you have any proof basically for that? That basically is correct basically. He might be 100% correct. That there is no proof basically. There is no proof basically. There is no proof basically for whatever things basically I had told you. So that is the proof basically. So one of the person told that up to what level basically human basically can
विघ्नेश्वराय वरदाय
control his
सुरप्रियाय
patience basically.
लंबोदराय सकलाय जगद्धिताय नागाननाय श्रुतयज्ञविभूषिताय गौरीसुताय गणनाथ भक्तारतिनाशनपराय गणेश्वराय सर्वेश्वराय सुखदाय सुरेश्वराय विद्याधराय विकटाय च वामनाय भक्तप्रसन्नवरदाय नमो नमस्ते नमस्ते ब्रह्मरूपाय विष्णुरूपाय ते नमः नमस्ते रुद्ररूपाय
So one of the person told that
हरिरूपाय ते नमः
there is no proof basically.
विषवरूपाय स्वरूपाय नमस्ते ब्रह्मचार भक्तप्रसन्नवरदाय नमस्तुभ्यमविनायकम् त्वां
There is no proof
विघ्नशत्रुदलनैतिक
basically.
सुन्दरेति भक्तिप्रदेति सुखदेति फलप्रदेति
One software company is
विद्याप्रदेत्य
telling that basically, one consultant
घरेत्य
basically is telling that
सुमतिसे
basically, we
तेभ्यो
basically can try for your job
विघ्नविघ्नवरदो
basically. If the company is not giving you job,
भवदिव्यमेव
that means basically that
लम्बोदरो
for that basically we are not
नमस्तुभ्यं
responsible. For
सततं
that basically company
मोदकप्रिया
basically you have to ask directly to the
निर्विघ्नं
company basically.
कुरु मे
So few
देव
people basically test that the company basically
सर्वकार्येषु
is
सर्वदा
handled by Dubai basically, where basically
मङ्गलमूर्ति
big disaster basically happened.
मोरया
But they say that basically we have transferred the
मोरया
data to Indian company basically.
मी
So you ask Indian company basically. So Dubai basically they have transferred the everything to India
सेवा
company. Now it's Indian company.
करुगाय
So one of the person told that where is the Indian software
अन्याय
company?
माते
They are basically in
कोट्यान्
Noida. Lots of people
कोटि
says that they are basically in Vadodara city. Lots of people says that they are in
भुवनेश्वराभां
Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad. Lots of people says that they are basically in Chennai.
मङ्गलमूर्ति
Lots of people says that basically they are in Madras. Both are basically one Chennai and Madras. Lots of people says that basically they are in Hyderabad. Lots of people says that basically they are in Deer. Lots of people says that the cyber groups are controlling that group. Lots of people says that the police is controlling the cyber industry. Lots of people say that police is controlling the software company. Lots of people says that Supreme Court and High Court is controlling the software company. So who is controlling the software company? So that is the topic. Just a minute. Because we don't have the proof basically. They are telling that basically Dubai basically is handling the software company. Dubai is telling that basically we have transfer everything to Indian software company. So ask Indian software company. Then when basically we'll ask Indian software company, they will say that basically that is basically consultant basically who sends the resume to us. When you will ask consultant basically, then you will they will say that basically we are basically getting data from recruitment job portals like Naukri.com, Monster.com, Times of India, Shine.com, like this basically they will say. So one person told that basically what is the option of this? Basically? One person told that should we finish the world and basically should we create the world again? One person told that also. Should we finish the world and should we create the whole world again?
गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम्
One person told that. So to finish the India basically how many time it will take?
ज्येष्ठराजतनमः
Because Dubai groups are telling that basically
नमो
Dubai is finished.
देवेभ्यो नमो
Now
योऽग्निभ्यो
basically we have transferred
नमस्तेभ्यः
everything to India basically.
यजामदेवान्यधिषक्नवाममाज्याय सस्यं समावृक्षदेवाः
And one person is
ॐ
telling that
भवन्तो
basically
न
that is some other problem, yeah,
परिजमामसुभागो
basically.
अपां
So
वृषन्नमः
everybody is basically transferring their data basically.
वेदमन्द्रापरपदाय वन्दस्तं न विषवेवरिवस्यन्तु
Same way
देवाः
basically. Currently
ॐ
war has
दधाते
started basically.
अग्नेशजयन्त
Now you can
आयोर्जदायुर्वाजे
stop the war basically. Now
विरानुषाणाः
you can't stop the war.
वेयन्तो
Why? Because war has
वेदनायुर्दाः
already started.
सत्तामन्त्रणयन्तु देवाः
But India basically has not
ॐ यत्नेन
jumped into war.
चिद्यमायन्तु
Why?
देवास्तानि
Because
धर्माणि
Asian country basically war has
प्रमाणयामासन्न
not started with. Asian country means UP, Bihar and Madhya
एहनागवामहिमानन्दन्नाभिषमेभ्यस्तु
Pradesh.
देवाः
That group basically.
ॐ राजाधिराजाय
And Delhi basically.
श्रीवैद्यनाथाय
They are
नमो
basically the root
महेश्वरेभ्यो
of
सर्वणाय गुरमहे
Asia country
समे
basically.
कामां कामकामाय मय्याम्
They are the root of Asia country.
कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः ॐ स्वस्ति साम्राज्यं भोज्यं स्वाराज्यमभयराज्यमपारमेष्ट्यौराज्यम् महाराज्यमाधिपत्यमयं समन्तवर्याय स्यात्
They are the root of Asia country. And they are basically handling the politics. When we will ask politics people, basically, they will say that we are not getting the investment, so we are not able to give you job, basically. But company is not running, basically. That is also a question, no, basically. Company is not running, basically. All the software company basically in India basically are they have shut down basically. They are not running basically. They are not basically doing their job basically. But there is not a single job basically for Sunila Map. Why lots of people say that in that basically top level people basically are creating problem to you.
ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ते प्रचोदयात्
Few people says that Naukri.com, Shadi.com, then the Jeevansadi.com. The owner basically is one girl basically. Lots of people says basically that whether it is correct that basically I don't know.
सिद्धिविनायकाय संगाय सह परिवार देवता यो नमः प्रदक्षिणान् समर्पयामि नमो स्वन्दाय सहस्रमूर्तये सहस्रपादाक्षिशिरोर्वाहन सहस्रनाम्ने पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रकोटि युगधारिणे नमः
Whether it is correct basically that basically we can't see. Why? Because we don't have the proof basically. Because I have registered basically in Shadi.com also basically. I have not got a single proposal. When basically I was having the job also. So that is Shadi.com. And Jeevansathi.com is also basically same. So everybody basically transfer their data basically.
क्षमस्व परमेश्वर अन्यदा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष परमेश्वर रक्ष रक्ष परमेश्वर कथं पापं कथं दुःखं कथं दारिद्र्यमेव आगता सुखदं पद्ये पुण्याच्च तव दर्शनात्
So you can't basically say who is correct. Lots of people say that Naukri.com everything basically owner basically are controlled by Bollywood group because they have the data basically. They have the data basically. But who is correct basically that we can't say 100%. Why? Because we don't have the proof basically. We don't have the proof basically. So we don't have any proof basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.